Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about archiving TikTok videos. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your TikTok account and select the profile button in the bottom right. And then you want to go up to the top right and select the hamburger icon. Just go ahead and click on it and select settings and privacy. And now on this page, you want to go down and locate underneath where it says support and about and select where it says report a problem. And now that we are in here, you need to scroll down to the chat with us feature and you'll have to ask if they can make all of your videos private. So if you just send a message to the TikTok help desk, they would hopefully get back to you within a couple of business days. Other than that, there really is no convenient way of doing that or archiving of videos except setting your entire channel to private. But if you just want to archive all your videos, make them all private, this is from my experience, from what I was looking at online, seems to be the best way to do that. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.